Hi everyone, Yvonne from National Computer College. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever tried to analyze large data sets? Well, manual comparison of large data sets is like searching for a needle in a haystack. That's where pivot tables come in. Imagine transforming your data into a dynamic matrix that reveals hidden relationships at a glance. With just a few clicks, you can summarize, group, and format your data effortlessly. You choose fields and think of them as categories, usually columns, and items which are the subcategories within those fields. There are 4 types of fields: page, row, column, and data fields. Each plays a unique role in organizing your data. So whether you're analyzing sales figures or survey results, pivot tables make it quick and easy to uncover insights that drive decisions. If this video helped you, click the like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Remember to share and drop a comment on what Excel features you would like to see next. Until next time, keep analyzing and see you soon.